Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cards with no glue. We'll dive into the fascinating world of paper crafting, where clever folds and precise cuts replace sticky adhesives. You'll learn fundamental techniques to create beautiful, sturdy cards using just paper and your hands. Get ready to transform flat sheets into three-dimensional masterpieces, perfect for any occasion. It's a fun and satisfying way to craft. First, let's master the foundational folds, the valley and mountain. These are crucial for creating clean lines and structural integrity. We'll also cover scoring, which involves making a shallow indentation before folding, ensuring perfectly straight creases every time. Then, we'll explore how to design and cut simple tabs and slots. These ingenious paper mechanisms will be the secret to holding your card together without any glue. Precision is key here. Now, let's put those techniques into practice by creating interlocking designs. You'll learn how to strategically place slots and tabs so that they fit snugly, using the natural tension of the paper to form a strong bond. We'll explore various slot shapes, from simple rectangles to more intricate designs, adding visual interest to your creations. This method allows for incredible versatility, letting you build complex structures with just a few well-placed cuts and folds. It's truly amazing. Finally, let's talk about adding those special touches to make your no-glue cards truly stand out. You can incorporate decorative cuts, perforations, or even simple pop-up elements using clever folding techniques. For the best results, select cardstock with a weight of at least 65 pounds. It offers the necessary stiffness for secure interlocking. Remember, the beauty of no-glue cards lies in their elegant simplicity and the satisfaction of creating something beautiful with just paper and skill. Happy crafting!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.